So I've got another request to do another embossing vinyl wrap on some trim piece. This trim piece is from an X1 BMW, and this is for a female, and she wanted some kind of floral pattern. So I came up with this. I found this design on the internet, and I just freehand drew it on this piece of vinyl. This is Vivid again. It's much thicker, 4.5 or 4.9, or sorry, 3.9 mils, I believe. This thicker is much better for embossing, I find, because it shows up underneath when you wrap on top of it with a thinner vinyl. So I freehand drew it, and I cut it out with this X-Acto knife here. And just because I'm doing it with one hand, so it's hard to show, especially in my last video I couldn't really show it, but here again, I'm going to put another piece, half a flower, on this little end, so it'll be kind of two. And I cut this out after I drew it with a pencil, cut the shape out. You can see I'll try and do this one hand here, try and free it. And there it is, just a little extra piece at the end. So when I move the scraps here, my intention is to put it something like that on the end. So I'll have these two flowers like that. So when I stick this on, I will wrap on top of it. And when I'm done, I'll show you guys what it comes out and looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I've actually positioned my stickers finally, or my vinyl print. And this is what it will look like before you get ready to wrap it and get this to emboss. So once I wrap on top of this and squeeze it all the air, I'm going to use a 3M vinyl. This person wanted to use the Deep Space something or other by 3M, which is a color changing vinyl. So hopefully this pattern is going to show through that. It's pretty dark in shadows, but in the light you see oranges, the teal color, some green, and purple. So hopefully it's going to come out nice, and we'll see what it looks like. This is the film I'll be using. It's a 3M Flip Deep Space. You can't really see the orange right now. A little bit there in the light. This is probably about a 3.2, I believe, mil. So this should wrap very well over this. And hopefully this pattern is going to shine, these floral patterns will shine through this vinyl very nicely and look good for this person. Okay, so this is the finished product. Okay, well, not too bad. It's a little hard to see with these dark colors. It could be just this light, maybe when it's on the car in direct sunlight becomes more visible maybe, so we'll check it out, but this is what it looks like.